Organizations seek Lonnie for his captivating lectures on leadership. Brace yourself as he unveils the extraordinary 6 leader rules from the unique perspective of employees. Get ready to be inspired and transformed by Lonnie Bridges, a remarkable individual with a rich and diverse background. He is a proud alumni of Southern University A&M College, a graduate of the University of Nevada, Reno Executive Development Program, a graduate of the prestigious Quantico Marine Corps Officers Candidate School, and a decorated combat infantry veteran of the United States Marine Corps. Lonnie is not only renowned for his military achievements, but also celebrated as a multiple Toastmasters International Leadership Award recipient. With a wealth of experience as a quality assurance engineer at Rockwell Automation, a hospitality training executive at Paragon Casino Resort, an analyst at Grand Casino Avoyelles, and a respected entrepreneur, consultant, owner of Bridges Adaptive Management LLC, Lonnie Bridges is undeniably a force to be reckoned with. Prepare to be captivated as he shares his expertise, passions, and unique insights as a best-selling author and deeply inspiring motivational speaker.